you want to know what we have coming up.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for yet another video. Today we're going to be installing a lip on my friend's WRX today. We're going to install a lip on my WRX too, but we're not going to show you two lip installs for one video. His name is Brent Norman. If you guys want to follow his build, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's not really so pretty outside today. It's a little dark and wet, but that's not going to stop us from putting mods on today.
Ooh, these are my stock mufflers. Freaking ugly. Ooh, also got some sticky boys down here. That's gonna be for a later video. But this is what I need. Yeah. Why can't I live in a place with nice weather? I got the lip fitted in here. I barely have any room to move, but whatever. I swear, West Virginia got some bipolar weather. It's March and it's still snowing. Alright, we're gonna head to my friend Brent's garage. I really don't have my own workspace right now, so I'm actually just traveling around. In the next week or so, I'm actually gonna be looking at some storage units so I can just have my own place to do my installs. But until then, I'm just gonna be a bum. Alright everybody, we just got to new location to where we're going to be working on our cars, and look at this beautiful shop. Oh my god. This place is huge. There's a few ways you can choose to put your lip on. You can either take your bumper off, or you can do what he did, and you can actually just jack your car up all the way and just put it on like that. Alright, so this is my buddy Brent's 2018 WRX. Do you want to let the channel know what you have done to it so far?
So I went with the 19 by 9.5 on the ESR SR07s, I believe. They're plus 35 offset. Don't really have any rub issues. I kind of tucked the back end a little bit because Subaru, for some reason, likes to have a little bit of a cut here, so we changed that around a little bit. I'm running the cob access port. I have a nameless axle back, or cat back, sorry. The NVIDIA catless J pipe. I've got a protein from TPG. Check them out. They have by far the best quality that I've seen out of any of the tuners around here. I have a couple like interior mods. We Are Likewise. They're a company based out of Australia. They hooked me up with the death e-brake button, the shift knob, and then I got the Thule roof racks. I don't believe it's a matching cage, but we ran that instead. Then, if you want to know what we have coming up.
He sent me a list of what he has ready to order, and by the next time or next few months, this thing is going to be an absolute machine. You guys got to stay tuned for the channel and see what this new monster is going to be like. I actually got the lip from BaysonR too, and as you know, I've done a few videos and with their products, and they always provide you these really nice clips and screws to go with your lip. You think we can just install like 3 lips on one car?
Yo, fuck yeah. More downforce. Too much downforce.
We just did a test fit for the new lip. It's a 2015 to 2017 lip, but we have a 2018 bumper. But we're reading through forums and you can actually run it. It's just we're gonna have to manipulate the lip a little bit. Even if it's not flush, just add more zip ties.
Tap screws. Self-tappers.
I think we should keep it like right here. I know there's gonna be like a little bit right under here, but like it's contours with like the body of it. Like that's where it sits flush in this corner over here. I see. Damn, this looks really good. We didn't even like do the final steps to get it permanently to the bumper yet, and this is already looking really good. Dope.
What? Oh yeah. Fuck.
So my lip just comes with screws, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna separate them and divide it between each side.
Ready for some wheel gap?
Yeah. Some monster truck fitment. Alright, we have the new lip put on. We just basically use our own self-tappers and screws. The contour of this lip isn't actually for this bumper, so we had to make something work. Yo, let us know in the comments what you guys think of this lip. I think it's very aggressive.
Oh, that was violent. Is that my phone play music?
What's suicide music?
Like a really dark rap. Dark, like I want to die.
No, yeah, this looks really good, bro. This is a really good pick.
Oh yeah, bro.